Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left.
Hello guys, welcome to Little Spice to My Life. This is Prakriti here. Today we are at North Greenwich near O2, and we are here to explore a couple of things around. It is a place which is hidden in the part of London, but mostly tourists miss this place across because it's not near to the central London, but it is beautiful and there are a bunch of things to do around. Come along with me, let's do some innovative things here. Guys, this is a new pathway across O2. It's painted in like magical rainbow colors. Come with me, I'll show you around. Thames River, you can see.
Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow.
There's a Cineworld complex inside this. Also, there is a place where concerts take place. There's Nike, Adidas, factory outlets in this store. So this is how O2 looks.
Turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon.
There is a selfie factory at which you can click pictures. There's a ticket to it, which is $13.99 per person for an hour. It looks like this from outside. As you can see behind me, this is a cable car offered by Emirates. It's a beautiful experience which you can have near North Greenwich. Come along with me, let's go have the cable car ride.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on.
So we are inside the cable car and you can see the view.
Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. On we'll go, wastelands through the highways.
This is DLR guide where you can have a driverless rail experience. Although the sections in front is closed, but usually you could sit there and enjoy the view.
Wastelands through the highways. And on we'll And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways. And on.
Guys, behind me is the Cutty Sark ship, which has been the fastest ship to travel from England to Australia for 10 years. It was opened by Queen Elizabeth II twice in 1957 and 2012. It usually gets opened to view from inside, but that is after 17th May. For now, you can just enjoy the view from outside and get the picture. Cheers!
I go back to black.
So we are going to the Royal Observatory, but the path towards that comes between the Greenwich Park and the greenery around. You can see how amazing it looks. Come along with me to the path of Royal Observatory.
And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go.
So we are at the Royal Observatory Greenwich, which is located on the hill of the Greenwich Park, facing the Thames River on the north. This is the place from which we got the name Greenwich, mean time, because it has a history of giving us a way to navigation. The look behind us, which has a big, huge clock around and a view of London as well. So behind me, you can see the view, which shows all the banks across Canary Wharf.
No, I don't want no rest.
So we are in front of Crossrail and we are going to cross via Adams Plaza Bridge. It is a very innovative bridge and a colourful feel you will feel around. So it's a good place to get an Instagram picture. Come along with me, I'll show how it looks. Isn't it beautiful?
Till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll
So guys, we are at Canary Wharf. This is the place where you can find all the bank offices located. Along with that, there are few pubs and bars. There's a Thames River going across, DLR stations across here. So it's a beautiful place to hang out. But the speciality of the place is that the song Chalagi Labda Fire was shot over here. So for all the Indian fans of Shah Rukh Khan, you can come over here and remake the same memory of the Chalagi Labda Fire song. I enjoyed a lot for the whole day. This is the last stop for today and I hope you liked my video. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.